Did you know your Samsung phone has hidden caller information features that most people never use? Today, I'll show you a cool setting that makes your incoming call screen look smarter and more useful. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone with One UI, this feature is already inside your device. And the best part? You can enable it in just a few seconds. First, open the phone app on your Samsung device. Now tap the three dots at the top corner and go to Settings. After that, open Caller Information. Here you'll see some useful options. The first one is Profile Picture Size. You can make the caller photo appear larger during incoming calls, which gives your phone a cleaner and more modern look. Next, there's Show Contacts Phone Numbers. When this is turned on, your contact number will appear directly on the call screen. And this feature is really interesting. You can also enable Show Extra Details. This option can display extra information like your last conversation, important dates, and more directly on the incoming call screen, even when your phone is locked. It makes your calling experience much smarter and more personalized.